Here I have GIONEE S6 Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up. So let's choose here recovery, press volume down to confirm it. And wait for the recovery mode. The no command picture pops up, so here you have to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. This is Android system recovery. You can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Scroll down again to yes, delete all user data. And let's press power key to confirm the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. Let's just wait until the operation will be completed. The Android system recovery pops up. Here you need to press power key to reboot system now. And the phone is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you can see there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.